Hi, this is Ryan, and today we're gonna take a look at this Roseselsa Photon Pro wired in-ear earbud. So at the box straight here, we have the specs, but we're not gonna look at that. And let's proceed now to the unboxing. By the way, please subscribe. Open the box. We have here this black partition part, and first we're gonna open it up, and we have here extra ear tips for the convenience of our ear, and we have here this clip so we can clip on the headphones, and we have our trusted user manual, and the finale of the box is the wired earbuds itself. So we have here the Roseselsa Photon Pro wired in-ear earbuds, and we have here the 3.5mm jack, but this also comes in type C. And as we take a look at the wire, by the way, the wire is 120 centimeters. We have there the earbuds with the design and the logo. Now this has an impedance of 32 ohms and 8mm driver. The weight of these earbuds is 1.8 grams. And the wires are detachable from the earbuds. It boosts a StyleFlex Design. More than the housing, it is precision machine and it is sculpted for a comfortable wear that it has an ergonomic canal-fit structure. And this also comes with microphones, and we have here the controls. This wired earbuds is already having everything that we need for earbuds. So that's it. This is the Photon Pro from Roseselsa. Original sound engine, sound hunter, comfortable wear, and not to mention that it is an esports powerhouse. So this is precisely machined from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, and it also packs a punchy sound stage, unleashing premium gaming sound. And when it comes to its music quality, it is up and par. By the way, this is Rye, that is the Roseselsa Photon Pro. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye guys.